Hi, I'm Claudia, and I'm a professional makeup artist here at LA Girl Cosmetics. Creating a perfectly chiseled look has been a huge trend. So today, we're going to teach you how to highlight and contour using our blogger favorite HD Pro Conceal. Our Pro Concealers are creamy and lightweight and offer full coverage covering any imperfections. It comes with a brush on the tip to make application easy. With these concealers, anybody can be a pro. You can either apply the product directly onto your face with the applicator or squeeze some product onto the back of your hand or a makeup tray and apply it with a small brush. I'm gonna gently squeeze the product and apply it directly onto my model's face for a quick and simple application. We're gonna start highlighting. We recommend using 2 to 3 shades lighter than your skin tone for the highlight shade. I'm using the shade Fawn for her skin tone. Apply the highlight shade all over the high points of the face. So draw an upside down triangle underneath her eyes, down the bridge of the nose, draw another triangle on the forehead, swipe above the cupid's bow, and on the chin. This process will really brighten and lift the high points of the face. Next, we're going to grab the contour shade. Grab 2 to 3 shades darker than your skin tone for the perfect contour shade. I'm using the shade Mahogany. Apply the contour shades along the parts of the face that you want to create depth. I'm applying it underneath the cheekbones. Just draw one long stripe on each side. Apply it on both sides of the nose, on each side of the highlight, along the forehead, and along the jawline. Now that we're done applying, we're going to blend it all out. Go ahead and grab a beauty sponge or a buffing brush. I'm going to use our damp LA Girl blending sponge. After blending everything out, I'm going to set the under eyes with the lighter shade in our LA Girl Pro Contour Powder. Pat it over the sections you've highlighted. Then use a dark contour shade to blend out and add more definition to contoured areas. This will make everything blend together seamlessly to create a perfect finish. And now you know how to highlight and contour like a pro using our LA Girl Pro Conceal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.